We would like to present you a conference and in particular the paper track of the PASC19 conference that will take place in Zurich next year from 12 to 14 of June 2019. Together with me we have Sunita and Ümit. You are both the co-chairs of the paper track, which is a very important track of this conference, and in particular because we have also ACM, where the papers will be published. So let's start asking about the motto of the conference of next year. What will it be about? What is the motto?
So the motto for PASC 2019 is exascale and beyond. Exascale is becoming more and more important. You know, we have a huge machine in the making, so we need scientific applications to migrate to this massive machine. We need programming models to be prepared. We need both software and hardware to be able to do the science on this, huge machine.
And Ümit, this is the PASC conference is an interdisciplinary conference. We want scientists coming from different fields and speak together, exchange together their experiences using HPC. Could you give us an overview of the different scientific fields you are addressing?
Sure, thank you very much. I mean, the PASC conference is actually for scientists, not just computer scientists in general, diverse set of scientific areas. So right now we have a set of 8 different topics, starting from engineering, computational math and sciences, but solid earth systems, climate modeling, life sciences, chemistry,
solid earth dynamics, climate and weather modeling. We also have physics, life sciences, chemistry and materials, computer science and applied mathematics, and emerging application domains. So like Ümit is pointing out, it's very interdisciplinary and science-based conference. It's not just only computer science, but it is how do you apply computer science to all these multiple domains.
So if I may add, so really what we want, application domain people come together and tell us what are the challenges they're having with the current and machines, and exascale is coming up and it will be more heterogeneous, it will be even more difficult to program. So we would like to solve the challenge in application domain. So this is not just for computer scientists, but we want to bring really application domain people with the computer scientists together in one place so that we can really discuss and solve the impactful problems we are having.
So in the paper track, we are now introducing something new, because up to now you could submit only once a year for a paper, and now we are changing the way we are managing this. Would you like to comment about this?
Sure, I can go. So we are doing rolling submissions this year. The idea is we will have deadlines every odd months. So January 15 will be the last one for PASC19, but we will have every 2 months we will have a deadline, and for those papers submitted after January 15, they will be considered for the next year's conference. The idea here is if you are working on a big project but you didn't able to finish on a single deadline, there will be a multiple deadline so that you can submit, and we will give application developers a chance to revise their papers and resubmit. So this will be not just one submission, but they can get the feedback from the reviewers and hopefully improve their papers and resubmit.
Okay, perfect. So we see that we are getting more and more flexible and giving really the possibility to everyone to submit its paper. And in addition, we have collaborations with different journals so that people can, in addition, not only submit to our conference, but then we will be a shorter text and then a longer one in that journals. Can you comment?
Sure. So the way this might work is the papers that have been accepted to PASC will be invited to submit to special journals, which including CPC could be one of the journals, where the authors are invited to submit and extend their work at the least 30% and resubmit their paper to CPC. It will undergo another round of light review, if you like, and then the authors are informed. So this way they submit something to PASC, they get to present, they get feedback from the audience, from the reviewers, they go back and update their paper to about 30% and resubmit the extended paper to a journal that's associated with PASC.
Okay, we are really very innovative with the conference, so I wish you, Sunita and Ümit, a good job now in selecting the different papers, and I hope to see you all in Zurich, 12 to 14 of June 2019 at the PASC19 conference. Thank you.